Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype problem. To know how to find a solution about Skype problem, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will enter to Skype. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You can click here if you will find updates to update your app, or you can just turn off your phone and you will wait 3 seconds to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.